Hey guys, let's talk about Auxo 1.4. This is, of course, the update for Auxo that should be out in the very near future. The big thing here is bug fixes and updates to toggles. You'll notice the hit points for the sliders for your brightness and things like that is much better. You can easily slide your brightness slider. You don't have to be so accurate when you touch that brightness slider and alter the slider. And of course, you have new toggles. You have the auto lock, the do not disturb, and the settings toggle. The settings toggle actually just takes you directly to the settings app, which is really nice. And then you have, of course, do not disturb, which enables do not disturb mode, as you see in the status bar there. Do not disturb is enabled. So we'll turn that off. All right, and then you have auto lock. So you can disable or enable auto lock. Let's go into the general section and scroll down until we see auto lock. Let me show you how this works here. So I'm going to swipe back over. I'm going to hit auto lock. Watch the auto lock section. You see it change from 4 minutes to never. See, 4 minutes, never. So it affects it immediately. As soon as you hit that button, auto lock is disabled or enabled depending on your preference. Now let me show you some other really cool features of this new version of Auxo. I'll go into configuration here. You should see, obviously, you see the new toggles, the auto lock, the do not disturb, and the settings app, which we just talked about. But you also have the new flashlight section and new respring section. If you go into the flashlight section, you'll see some new features here. You have on tap and hold. So if you just tap it, it'll enable the flashlight or the strobe light or the SOS signal or do nothing. So you can choose what you want to happen when you just tap it. You can also choose what you want to happen when you tap and hold. So you can have two different sections here, two different settings rather. Same thing goes for respring. You can have the respring just respring when you tap it, or you can have it restart or power off or safe mode, and then you can have a separate option for tap and hold. So really cool update here. It is Auxo 1.4. You'll find a much more refined version of Auxo, lots of bug fixes. The tap zones are obviously fixed and new toggles. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. This is Jeff with iDownload Blog.